Richie is always finding the next big thing in music. Now let's find the big things that happened this week. It's time for the Intense 5. Rick Ross took what I refuse to call a dive into a pool recently. He started out okay, then it just took a wrong turn. He said he hurt his knee, so speedy recovery, Ricky Rose. I don't know if you need them failure, sir, or wagwan, but get well soon. So, the official trailer for the Bob Marley biopic has been released. It looks interesting, but Lord, the fake accent them, nah say nothing. Anyways, it hits theaters in January. I can't wait to see it. Did you watch the Reggae Boys deliver a beating on St. Kitts? And of course, the memes started. Big up to the team. Keep it up, guys. Adele says she nah ramp. Don't play with her, okay? She threatened her fans that if they throw anything on stage purposely to hit her, she will defend it. Long time Adele a bad girl still in the making. May I just say. And finally holding the spot this week, Skilly Bang will be joining Drake and Savage 21 on their North American tour. How cool is that? From BET to the world. Wap wap on them, yes? Okay. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in everything entertainment. Up next, guess what? No, that's actually his name. Intense Forward.